All right, when we talk about dichotomous keys, we're talking about classifying something into a unique category. And so in this case, when we're talking about animals, we're saying feathers. Does it have feathers? Yes or no? Di, as you probably know, means two. So there should always be two options. Does it have feathers? Yes or no? Then we can further break that down into something that either swims or not. So a thing with feathers that swims could be a duck, or things that feathers that doesn't swim could be a chicken. Now, if we're talking about lizards, they do not have feathers and they do have legs, so that would follow this type of key. It looks a little bit like a bracket, and obviously it can get very complicated if you have more than just four choices here. When we're looking at something like species of insect or species of bird, there's very few distinguishing characteristics among, let's say, all of the types of beetles in the world. You might be able to distinguish them by size or color or wings or type of leg, habitat, anything like that. But there's always more than one way to make a dichotomous key. And that's what I want you to practice with tonight, is making a dichotomous key. So your assignment is to classify 6 of any of these. Okay, so pick 6 different items. Something like types of crackers. Okay, Ritz crackers, wheat thins, cookies, any type of cracker that you think you like, goldfish, something like that. Okay, college team mascots. Now I know the Final Four is upon us, and ESPN likes to bet on the birds versus the tigers or something like that. Okay, so pick 6 different college team mascots. I want you to make a dichotomous key to find out the school that they are. Or if you're not into either the crackers or the college team mascots, you can classify the types of TV shows on cable or satellite. You could talk about comedies in specifics. You could talk about crime shows, Game of Thrones, whatever you want to talk about. I know everybody likes to talk about The Walking Dead. Maybe you have a category for zombies. I don't know. Are there more than one zombie show on TV? I have no clue. So you're going to make a classification, a dichotomous key of 6 items. And I want you to bring it to class tomorrow. We're going to compare, because even among people who do the same type of thing, you'll see that there's a lot of differences in how we can classify and come up with the same result. And this will lead into Linnaeus and his classification system of all of the living organisms on the planet. So bring that to class tomorrow, and we will go from there.